welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yeah man, it's Cook and Inspire back in the kitchen again with Chef Garnet. And I'm telling you man, you have seen part 1 of this video. Now it's part 2. I'll be doing a nice milkshake dessert for my kids, and wife, but before we get on to that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, and leave a comment also in the comment section. Okay, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscription icon. Turn it gray and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Okay, so I'll be making some milkshake this time for you. My belly is so full right now with those burgers, but that's a different story. Yeah, so what I'll be using to do my milkshake, basically we're gonna use some vanilla flavored ice cream, and I'm gonna do 2 different flavored milkshake. Okay, so I'll be doing a strawberry vanilla milkshake, and then I'll be doing a banana and peanut butter milkshake with Oreos in it as well. Strawberry will be having Oreos as well, and garnish with whipped creams and stuff. And I'll be using over here some coconut and almond milk, so it's gonna be nice, people. So first of all, let me go pour a little bit of that almond milk in there, and then I'll be going in with my ice cream. So this is for around 2 people, this one. And then I'll be going in with some strawberries. Just a few pieces of crushed Oreo. I use the Oreos biscuit. Just crush it up, but in a Ziploc bag and crush it up. Ready? So here we are, that's finished blend. Let's go over here. I'm gonna cup it up. Look how nice and thick. I don't want to fill the glass up too much because I want to use some whipped cream. Just gonna put my whipped cream in there. Nice straw on this side. There you have it. Just put that aside. So here you have it. 2 already done. Look how beautiful they are. Look. Nice and lovely. Vanilla, strawberry, and Oreo milkshake. Here you are again. You see 2 already done. The strawberry and vanilla. It's already done. So here we are. We're gonna pour some more coconut milk and using some peanut butter. With our vanilla ice cream. I'm just gonna put some Oreos inside of it as well. Awesome, look at that. See that? Nice, rich. See that? Peanut butter, banana, and Oreo milkshake. Ideal for the kids. We're on summer break now. My whipped cream is finished. So what I'll be doing, I'll be just put in a few pieces of Oreo. So here we are again, guys. Our milkshake dessert. Yes, here it is. Strawberry and vanilla Oreo milkshake, peanut butter, banana, and vanilla milkshake. Lovely. See that? Perfect for the kids. You don't have to go to the takeaway shop. You know, the burger giants and the milkshake giants, you can do it straight at home. You know, it's summertime, do something with the kids. You know? Awesome and lovely. Doesn't have to be takeaway all the time. You can do it at home. Alright, so until next time, cook and inspire in and out the kitchen. Yeah man, milkshake style. Wicked and wild. The kids then will be loving this, and we got nice fruits and vegetable, you know, to go with that, you know. Peace out.